Here we have some Qsets that you might enjoy for Halloween, and the cling stamps are in packages separate from the cutting dies. And you can look on the back of the package to identify which one it is. Like this one is Little Red, the die set that goes with the images. And you can see here they're going to cut around the edges with a white perimeter, and you've got message or two. So this one, the wolf is sneaking up behind her and it says, "Smile, you're looking good," just before she gets eaten. So anyway, the two sets, I want to be sure that you know the Qsets are a little bit different. When you take the image off of the carrier, it comes off clean. There's not any other carrier to it this way. And this is the cling foam, and it's simply going to cling to your block, nice and easy to work with, and your image remains on the carrier in this case. So that's true of these new Qsets, and you can see lots of fun ideas and ways to use them for tags, little cards, big cards, anything you like. Clean them while they're on the block, and then you can simply put them back in place for storage on the carrier. Here's some of the color work that I did using the Copic markers, and you can see that you can interchange some of the different characters depending on which ones you purchase, and make a lot of fun things. The little bat and the cat one would be nice for little treat bags of any kind, and you've got a little message to go with that. And here are some simple backgrounds where I wanted to just see what kind of real quick effects I could get with just big splashes of color, and then stamping into it, and a little bit of your color pencil makes it an easy way to come back in and add just a little bit of coloring here and there. But the color in the background did most of the work. Take a look at a few more samples.